first year of the Strategic Cereal Farm East, we worked with Essex and Suffolk Water to undertake extensive baselining of the drainage water quality assessments across the farm. This resulted in a number of cover crop trials. In these trials, we're comparing different establishment systems with and without cover crops and looking at the uptake of nitrogen into the cover crops and when this is released in the subsequent crops.
At the start of my strategic farm journey, I was quite interested in knowing what water quality was coming out of my field drains, and this sort of set the tone for this trial. All the way through for the last 3 years we've been looking at cover crops and cultivations and nitrate being released through the winter. All the way through I've been doing detailed water analysis with Essex and Suffolk Water, where I've been going into the ditches, taking samples of what's coming out of the drains, and they've been sent away for analysis of both nutrition and pesticide. So we've taken 2 fields, which one has been ploughed and one which has been lightly cultivated. We then have planted a cover crop in half of it, so half under a ploughed system and half under a lightly cultivated system. The cover crop is then taken through winter. It's then burnt off at the appropriate timings for the season, and the water from underneath those plots has been analysed, but also NIAB have been doing soil structure as well as nitrate cores all the way through the season to give us an underlying level of what nutrition is left in the soil and what has been lost through winter rainfall. For this season, the current cover crop was last winter, and now we're looking at the legacy effect to see if the nutrition absorbed by the cover crop is now being released at a later date. And so we're looking at if there's an uplift in nitrate available for this spring, but also for future springs through the project.